people, welcome back to Vanna Briefing Updates. I didn't give you the best briefing updates now.
Oh, go on, my people. Hope you having a blessed day. You guys don't know I am here to briefly tell you guys what I go on. So please like, share, and subscribe. People, don't only watch my video. Please subscribe so you can always be notified when I upload a briefly updates. So please stay tuned to hear what go on because a lot of things are going on and that you guys need to know. Yeah, man. So it have said that police stand guard outside Archer's funeral home in Spanish Town, St. Catherine, where a autopsy is under the way for religious leader Kevin O. Smith. Yes, people, the late called pastor. Yeah, man. Two family members wearing full skill masks accompany the body to the funeral home. Smith died in a car crash in Bagwalk, St. Catherine on October 25 while being transported from St. James to Kingston to answer murder charges following a fatal religious ritual at his Pathway International Kingdom Restoration Ministry in Montego Bay, St. James on October 17. So yes, people, an autopsy is going on for the late old pastor. Yes, people, that was yesterday, Monday. So guys, I'm going to show you a clip of him being transferred from the funeral home. So yeah, people, that's the bus they used to transfer him. But still, let's move on to hear what residents have to say. So it have said that one woman who lived across from the funeral home says she was never been afraid to leave her house until yesterday. She told the Star that she would regularly walk the street but chose to stay in. She quoted, "Me no usually mix up in a dopey business or afraid no certain way, But me no know what kind of black magic him have, so me just go and keep my little distance and watch what go on," she said. One elderly man who frequented a nearby bar said that he has had his fair share of paranormal experience and refused to have another with the infamous pastor. He quoted, "When me used to live at our West Penn, you see, me used to have to come out before 5 o'clock to catch the bus where I come with pepper. Cause me used to sell star for my mother, One morning me dey out there and me just see a white figure cut across the road. You see, after that, can't catch me out there without me whites in my back pocket. So me hear say this man I come on my foot today, me not even a look over there cause me not like dopey." It said, while residents were vocal with their fears, some morgue workers say they were unafraid to handle Smith's body. It arrived approximately 7 a.m. and remained until 1:29 p.m. when it was collected by Madden's funeral home. It quoted, "The religious part of it make me uncomfortable, but I have to do my job and do it well. I'm a human being like everybody else, so what me afraid for? It's just the religious part of it make it definitely uncomfortable, but we still have to execute our duties and do them well, just like any other day." Another person said, quoted, "We cut dead body every day, so we're not afraid to cut. Only the bag of excitement new," referring to the increased police presence and the media. So yes, people, the autopsy determined that Smith, along with all the irons of the constable who died in the same crash, died as a result of blunt force trauma. So yes, people that killed them. Yeah, people, so a person in St. James are saying that the late Kevin Smith, the cult pastor, was warning about the flooding that happened in some part of St. James Sunday. Hear what these residents have to say in this video clip.
Pastor, and tell us flood will come and Mobile, I want the hawk. Water lay down on Mobile.
He didn't have much to say still, but I'm going to show you some video clips from the blast where plenty roads were demolished by water. Yeah, man.
This is Live AJ reporting for AJ News. This is Live AJ reporting for AJ News. Sections of the Spot Valley Road have been broken away. Residents are in an angry mood. The driver is so upset, can't even cross it. I'm about to turn back. This is real.
Alright, colleagues, this is Guava Walk, Unity Hall. Alright, this is the condition of the road. The surface at the entrance here, totally lifted up. Everything is rooted up, and this is what it has done to the main road. Let me show you what is happening here. This is a bus. This is a Toyota Coaster bus. This is the condition of the road right here. Alright, that's it. This is a coaster. It's stuck. Look at the road.
All the policemen, all the soldiers, them, I don't know where them outside. That's what can't pass.
This is a blast.
Brother. So no video, no video, brother. I want me to see brother. After how much rain for what day and flood out the whole of here and broke that concern up right as I saying go fix the house. And see you know fix it all now. And bombard let's hold on one. Split here and bombard man. I don't know what's shit. I'm saying it to blast, brother. I'm saying it to blast, because fuck this brother. Watch out. All I go split and broke for you, brother. All of them look split already, brother. Yeah. Brother. Let's see how fool, brother. I don't want people vote and can't help people for it. This is a blast. How long the gully flooded and Joe and Sema come fix the gully all now. All road plan now, the gully flooded from Bombard 2019. 17. Bombard and Joe and can come fix the gully all now. Watch out. All the people and all tear down over there, so when they build up. Bombard, watch it. All car wash for youth. Bombard, you watch it. Watch it. All and I just see a sign of man all down the road, but I can't go down the sucker. My bridge, wash away of it. Watch it, man. Watch it. Bumbo close. Beer water, youth. Beer water. Bumbo close. Come close to my shark. Oh. Station. Flooding is real.
Why no? Turn, chin you, yeah. Patois, you for turn, come this away, yeah. This is man you see right there, so see me. Never tell him man if you hold on upon the river. I don't want to hold on upon the river and the water drown the car. The car top right there, so can't go no further. Drive with the car. But man I eat that, you know. I don't know when I'm going to hold on upon the river like him, I eat that.
So yes, people, you see where some part of St. James community roads are in severe condition that's going to need fix, and where person are saying that the Prime Minister promised them to fix gully and all know it don't fix. So yes, people, yes, the brief updates come to an end. So please like, share and subscribe.